Hi guys, today's lesson is on a value scale, and we will be using this for your drawing of a building in the style of Paul Klee. So this is what your project will look like. You are going to select a building. I picked Union Station in Los Angeles, and then we're going to transform it using shape and value. And this is based on Paul Klee's painting, A Castle in the Sun. So in order to do this, we have to learn a value scale. Value is one of our elements of art. And these are line, value, color, shape, form, space, and texture. We need value in order to create form, which is a 3D shape. So first, the range of lightness to darkness of a color. So value can happen in black and white, like we'll be doing today with our pencil, or it can happen in various colors, like we've seen in paintings. And when we have this range of value, that is how we make something 3D to create a form like a sphere, where we have very light, we have different values leading to very dark where no light hits, and that creates a 3D form. So today we are, and by the end of the lesson, you will have something like this. So on your piece of paper, we need to make a long rectangle. And then we are going to break it into 5 parts. So start by creating a square in the middle, and then 2 squares on either side. We want to start our value by creating our very darkest value, which is black. So I want you to put your finger on the wood of the pencil, and this is how you create lots of pressure to go back and forth until you get nearly black. Now value is also called shading, and we are going to be doing some shading with a Q-tip. So rub your Q-tip over your value. It's also going to lift off some graphite, so let's add it back. So now we have black and white. So we need a medium gray in the middle. So we're going to do less pencil pressure, still going back and forth, until we get a value that's in between. And now we have a medium gray. Now we already have lots of graphite on our Q-tip. We can now add this to our empty space to make our light gray, which is in between white and medium gray. So now we have, it still looks a little too light. Add a little more graphite and go ahead and blend with your Q-tip. So very light pencil pressure there. Value a dark gray, which will go in between your medium gray and your black. So this is going to be harder pencil pressure, but not as much as you used for black. Blend with your Q-tip. And we need more value. These look like they are almost the same. So we're adding more graphite. I'm going to blend it. A little bit came off. And now we have our value scale. So for your final, you are going to trim this. It's like it doesn't matter if you went outside of the lines. It's all of the values. So we're going to look for a black, a dark gray, a medium gray, a light gray, and white. This is your value scale that we will then attach to white paper. I want you guys to hold on to your value scale and use them throughout your final drawing. Good job, guys.